Your to-do list is a mile long. There is lots on the go, and somehow your mind is not cooperating, feeling a little scattered. So join me for this meditation for focus and for sweetness so that we can get back on track. We can calm our nervous system, resource our nervous system with a connection to our bodies and an opportunity to use mantra to repattern and refocus our actions for today. So let's begin. My name is Salima, yoga therapist, and this is part of an ongoing series on connecting with the body. And for the most part, we think of meditation as being about the mind and using just the flow of breath. Today, we're using mantra and a focal point with our fingertips called a mudra. So let's begin by taking a moment to straighten up our spine, to connect with the vastness around us, and that is by tuning in with the Adi mantra in the sacred language of Gurmukhi. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. You can sit cross-legged, you can sit in a chair, on the bed, whatever works best for you. We're going to start by taking a few cleansing breaths. Inhale very deeply. Through the mouth, let it go. Exhale. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. One more time. Inhale. Let it go. Good. Let's use the mantra now. Sitting up tall and straight. Spine of steel, heart of gold. Inhale. And let's begin by tuning in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Last one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply, set your intentions for focus and for sweetness. And relax. Relax your hands down. And let's begin the meditation now. On your left hand, lay that down onto your knees so you have a stable place to keep your hand. And with the four fingers of your right hand, feel for the pulse in your left wrist. Consider going along the side of your thumb, and then just gently feel around until you feel the sensation of your heartbeat. I promise it's there. It may take a moment to find it, and once you do, however faint it might be, keep your fingertips there. So now we're making a connection with our actual heart. Our heart has a pulse and a rhythm, and we're going to use that as a way of steadying our own internal compass. The mantra that we use alongside of this meditation is Satnam. And we're using Satnam to the beat of your own heart. Satnam, 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 Satnam. So find your own heartbeat now. Gently close your eyes once you find it and bring that mantra in. It will help you focus your mind and give clarity and direction to your actions, so that anything that can drop off that list or doesn't need to be done right away, it'll be clear to you. Good. Let's focus now 3 minutes right here. Adjust your posture. Keep your breath even, inhaling for 4, exhaling for 4, and focusing your eyes at the tip of your nose. No strain, just focusing downwards. Come back to the mantra, silently in your mind, Satnam, 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 Satnam. If you notice that your heartbeat becomes a little bit irregular, a little faint, or a little stronger, totally normal. One more minute, just like this. Last few seconds here. Adjust your posture. Take a deep inhale. Cleansing breath. Exhale through the mouth. Let it go. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Exhale. All right, good job. Relax your hands now. Keep both palms onto your knees. Take a moment, straighten out your spine, roll out your shoulders. You did a great job. That was a 3-minute meditation and a great way to bring your mind back, to prioritize your list and get it all done with a sense of ease. We close the practice now with another mantra and an invitation. The invitation is to come and join us in Harmony Within. There is a group of amazing women who are holding space for themselves and each other, using these kind of practices, talking about what comes up as a result of moving through life differently, creating boundaries, understanding their truth and authenticity, and doing that together. What an amazing way to work. It's a course and a community, and it's called Harmony Within. All the details are below. If you'd like more information, please drop the word harmony, and I'll be happy to send the link over your way. Bring your palms together at the center of your chest. Inhale very deeply. Here is the final closing mantra. Sit with a spine of steel and a heart of gold. Inhale, exhale. Long sat, short nam. Sat nam. Please ground yourself, bring your forehead and your fingertips to the ground, or forehead and your fingertips together. Closing off the energy of today's practice, go and do all the things that you need to do. Remember, lots of ways to catch up with me. All the links are below. And if you found this helpful, share it, like it, subscribe to the channel, and come on back for more. There's much more coming up in this series of connecting back to your body. Lots of love until we see each other again.